This program is brought to you by
मुश्किल दाग निकाले आसानी से सर्फ एक्सेलमेटिक मशीन का पाउडर।
Common sense.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi and you are watching The First Blast. We have a really interesting show ahead of us today. We're talking about microinsurance, microfinance, how they can ultimately put an end to the vicious cycle of poverty. Also, I think in this show we are seeking to explain concepts like microinsurance, microfinance, microenterprise, and we are talking to organizations that are actually actively involved in providing these tools for economic growth for the lower income segment of our society. Interesting, a lot of good work is happening and they need exposure. They have a lot of reach. They are approaching a lot of people and they're doing a huge amount of work in the rural sector as well, which is where a substantial part of our population is. So let's go and have a look at the sneak peek and then join us again in the studio after the break. What microfinance and microinsurance is and how it benefits a large segment of society.
It has a very clear vision of alleviating poverty.
When we started, we were the only one. Once we grew and everybody looked at it, this is possible.
The goal is self-sufficiency, isn't it, as well?
Something
Government
bigger and stronger.
But the government is the feudals.
Yeah, I know.
The poor have a better, payback history as compared to us, I think.
They may be very skilled, but they will not actually know how to step out of their house and sell their products or produce.
Why does that not work in Pakistan? It can. I think it is.
Saving is the forgotten half of the poor.
Welcome back from the break. Thank you so much for staying on the show with us today. As you know, we are trying to get our head around microfinance and microinsurance and microenterprise. At least I'm trying to get my head around it, which is why we have Salima Shiraj in the studio with us today. Hi, Salima.
Hi.
You are Head of Communications and Brand Management at the First Microfinance Bank.
Yes, I am.
Got it right. Okay. So what do you do?
Well, I am responsible personally. I'm the brand custodian of the bank. I'm responsible for the overall image building of the bank, of ensuring that internal and external communications are well taken care of, and we are able to reach out to our stakeholders and communicate effectively about what the bank is doing. Okay. So that's my role. But the First Microfinance Bank obviously works for the poor segment of society. It has a very clear vision of alleviating poverty. It was created in response to poverty in Pakistan, and it is a non-commercial institution, which means that we are not here to maximize profits. Okay. And it's part of the Akhan Development Network.
Excellent.
Yeah. So we have about over 395,000 clients. To date, we've been able to disburse over 6 billion rupees worth of loans to date. And I think what makes us unique is the banking model that we have.
Can you describe what your banking model is a little bit that makes it successful?
It's a regulated bank. One, it is regulated by the State Bank of Pakistan, and yet it is poverty focused. Okay. So what we are doing is that we are the only microfinance institution in Pakistan, and one of the very few in the world who basically have a unique banking model in terms of we are, generating our own deposits through which we fund our entire loan book. So we're not really dependent for our operations on any, donor agency or any other funding agency.